Thanks, Sushmad. I received this this box is so beautiful, and now I'm going to unbox this. There's something very pretty is inside. Um, oh yes, this is. You see how beautiful this earring is. This is just a pearl eardrop. I can see here. So beautiful, small and too pretty. And here is the another one also. Mm, yes, this is perhaps a bracelet. Yes, it is also equally beautiful, you can see. And let me try on my hand. Wow. So you can see here that is so beautiful. So Sushmad, I'm really overwhelmed to receive your gift, and keep on doing this kind of precious job. Keep on making more and more beautiful ornaments, because age is not a number, neither a bar for ladies. They are always curious to decorate themselves with the beautiful jewelries. Thank you.